Welcome to the Caliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome lagging or slow issue in your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Now, from here, at the top right corner, just select the three dot icon. From here, just go to Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions. And from here, you're gonna see a bunch of extensions that you use. Make sure to remove the ones that you don't need. Just click on Remove and click on Remove from here. Make sure to do it for all of the useless ones from here. After that, what you want to do is just click on the three dot icon once again. Click on Settings. Now, from here, what you want to do is just go to System. And from System, you want to turn this off. You want to turn off Continue Running Background Apps when Chrome is closed. Just turn this option off. And it will save you memory by not running background apps when Chrome is closed. And another thing you can do is just from here, go to Performance. And from here, just under Memory, turn on Memory Saver. Just make sure to turn this option on for you. And then just go to Reset System. And from here, you can restore your settings to original defaults. Click on it and click on Reset Settings. And another thing you can do is just click on the three dot icon again. Then just go to Delete Browsing Data. Select on Advanced. Choose everything from here. Then just click on Delete Data. And after that, just go ahead and restart Chrome and your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix Google Chrome slow or lagging issue on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.